Tell us how that has been. Saka na, ano naman ang experience mo?
Tell us how it changed your view of women.
Ayun.
That's interesting.
Kailangan dalawang mic.
Labo naman. Nagaling ka. I've seen so many beautiful women in the world.
I'm sure.
I am sure.
But
mahirap pumili pag
me
marami ka
still
lang
out there.
nakita.
Where is
You know who
she?
you are. Talaga,
But really,
no, really. It's amazing. I love my job. I get to travel. I get to do what I do, sing. I get to, entertain people. Ang sarap.
Race, right? No?
Yeah, different races. Ang sarap kumain
Different
din ng mga
faces.
different food. Tapos, syempre, meeting friends. Ang sarap ng opportunity na meron tayo lahat,
Right,
as entertainers. Very
kanina,
cool.
they were telling me, how is it different? Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, K-pop yung, yung dominant. And it's going crazy.
Mostly in Asia.
Mostly, diba?
Yeah,
But, iba yung nini-embrace nila, yung Filipino
Iba
music
yung
in other
embrace.
countries as well. So, how does it feel na parang you are that big, that you are that huge talaga?
Hindi naman sa ganun ka, ibang level na yung K-pop, no? It's just very, it's a good opportunity to share our talents, our nationality, our songs sa ibang bansa. Nung nasa New York nga ako, I went to a convenience store, tapos there was this Middle Eastern man. Tinanong ako, hey, are you Filipino? Yeah. Do you know Manny Pacquiao? Yeah, I do. I have a picture with him. Whoa, really? He's the best fighter in the world.
Wow.
Ayun, sabi
Iba na
niya.
talaga.
So parang, ang galing kasi unti-unti yung Pilipino sumisikat sa mundo.
Tama.
At my voice is getting robotic because of this mic. Okay.
You want to switch mics po? Wait, hold on.
No, it's alright. It's alright, bro.
no, but it's so nice to see that you've been in your genre of music, you've been really making it around the world. So we're really proud of you, and you can inspire all us artists to make it talaga.
And you know, that is, hindi lang sa ganung bagay, no, but he also inspires us by the way his body has grown.
Oh yes.
Have you guys seen his
We
billboards?
need to talk about his body, guys.
Yeah, kanina pa,
Thank you guys, thank you.
kanina pa gusto ng mga production natin, pag-usapan natin, your development.
Alam nyo, guys.
Anong nangyari, man?
Pwede pa taas sa monitor.
Ito.
Manood na lang kayo ng Bench Uncut sa Araneta.
Yeah. July 2 at the Araneta.
What's the sneak peek?
Hold it there. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
God?
Signal. Thank you.
God.
Thank you so much. Ayun. Well, you know what? It's good. Kasi ngayon parang ang sarap mag-workout ngayon. Tapos parang new image.
Addict na.
You have to be fit also. Kasi in performing, di ba, dapat fit ka
Yeah,
rin.
you need the
Malakas ang
stamina.
mo.
You need stamina.
Yeah. So I suggest everyone should work out and do some exercises.
Ibang formula yan, no? A hunk, but a balladeer.
Yun.
That's something new.
Pwede ka kumanta, pwede ka kumanta tapos abs mo.
Oh, di ba habang nagbabalad ka, lalabas mo yung...
Usually pang R&B na yan.
Yung bagay ba?
Yeah, di ba?
Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung bagay sa ballad.
Speaking of, being a balladeer. Wherever you are. Ganon?
Kaya mo yan, bro.
And live in a building.
Alright, you know what? Let's chat with some of the people online. Baka naman may mga tanong sila. Alright, will you be leaving again for out of the country gig this June 2010? Or do you have any more shows? Plug mo naman, Kuya Christian.
Well, baka sa July, will be in Indonesia by July. Yep. That's it so far. Pa-flex.
Konting flex daw dyan.
Mamaya magtatanggal ako ng shirt.
Oh, we cannot wait for that number.
Sabi ko, daw kayo
I don't.
Cannot wait for that
I think
number.
we have
Follow me on Twitter, Xtian Bautista.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Concert in Indonesia, please. By the way, I'm so glad that you put Indonesia beside Philippines, but it moved
That's
up.
cool.
Anyways, moving on.
Christian will sing us another song.
Yeah. Okay.
Again.
And
Thank you very much. Thank you, Princess, again.